Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. We are going to learn how to calculate SCORAD score for atopic dermatitis. There are three parts of SCORAD score. A. Surface area involved. B. The intensity of involvement. And C. The subjective symptoms. So, first of all, we will learn how to calculate the area. There are two methods. First is the rule of nines, and second is the palm method, where we use the patient's palm as 1% of body surface area. In the rule of nines, the head has a percentage of 9%. Each upper limb has a percentage of 9%. Each lower limb has a percentage of 18%. The trunk, which involves the front and back of chest, the abdomen, and the lower back, has a percentage of 36%. And finally, the genitalia have a percentage of 1%. So this is a total of 100%. So when we calculate the body surface area, we will add up the involved areas, the percentage of the involved areas, and we will find a total body surface area involved. Next is the intensity of involvement. For this, first of all, we will look at the uninvolved areas. That is the part of the skin that is not involved by the eczema. And here we will look for dryness. Now for intensity, we will score according to with 4 stages: 0, 1, 2, and 3. 0 meaning none, 1 is mild, 2 is moderate, and 3 is severe. So for dryness, we will see whether there is no dryness, mild, moderate, or severe dryness. After dryness, we will come to the areas that are involved by the eczema. Here, firstly, we will see erythema. We will again score it according to this scoring. Then we will look for edema or papulation. Fourthly, we will look for oozing or crusting. Then excoriation marks. And finally, lichenification. Again, we will add up all these scores and write a total intensity score here. Finally, we have to look for subjective symptoms. There are 2 subjective symptoms that we look for: pruritus and sleep loss. Each of these we have to score from 0 to 10, and we have to add up these 2 scores to get C. Now the final calculation of SCORAD is, we have A, total body surface area, plus B, which is the intensity, and C, which is the subjective symptoms. But it's not that simple. We have to divide A by 5, then we have to multiply B by 7 and divide it by 2, and then we add C to them. This is the SCORAD. Now looking at the example from the picture that I've shared, first let's calculate area. So roughly the back of the legs are involved, and we can say that half of the back of each leg is involved, which makes 4.5% body surface area of each leg. So that makes a total of 9% surface area. So this is our A. Now coming to intensity, dryness is mild, edema is severe, then edema, it is moderate, oozing and crusting is severe, then there are excoriation marks, moderate intensity, and there is only mild lichenification. So a total of 4 plus 5, 9, 10, 11, and 12 is the total intensity score. This is B. Now lastly we have subjective symptoms. Suppose that the patient has a pruritus score of 5 and a sleep loss score of 6. So total of 11 score, and this would be C. Now applying our formula, A by 5 plus 7B by 2 plus C. So A is 9 by 5 plus B is 12. So we will multiply 7 into 12 divided by 2 plus C is 11. So this is 1.8 plus 42 plus 11, which makes